What's up everybody? Today we will be having a very interesting video, but before we get started, please don't forget to subscribe and smash that notification bell so that you will be more informed about stuff in my channel. I will be shortly showing you how to smoke cannabis. No. We would be speaking on cannabis stocks and companies which are predominantly in this field. We won't be going on individual companies, but we would be speaking specifically on an ETF, an exchange-traded fund named Yolo, which is Advisory Shares Pure Cannabis ETF. So the primary advantage of investing in an ETF or a mutual fund in any industry is that if one of the companies goes bust, you won't be affected by the investments of the company which you would be having. And an ETF or mutual fund strives to achieve diversification by investing in a number of companies. In this situation, it would seek to invest 80% of securities in cannabis, and those having at least 50% of revenue from marijuana or hemp business, and they would be investing in major stock exchanges such as the New York Stock Exchange and Canadian Stock Exchange of companies who would be in this field. So of course everything would be legal, and everything, the shares would be from companies which are actually listed. So the largest weight is Village Farms International. GW Pharmaceuticals has 11% and Innovative Industrial has 7%. These are the three largest holdings, and there are others which have more smaller holdings. This is as at 19th February 2021. So as we're seeing here, predominantly it's the United States and Canadian listed companies. The fees and expenses are pretty on the good side, given that this is an actively managed fund. So here we're seeing a situation whereby the fund manager strives to make money by buying when they see opportunity and selling when they see that the value is high. Year to date it's 55% up almost, and since inception it's around 10% up, although there's been quite some choppiness, so in order to see it fluctuate in a very volatile manner, it's very easy that something like this happens. Now the cannabis and marijuana industry would be predominantly affected by government regulation and by government's approach to cannabis. So we're seeing multiple governments which at this stage are decriminalizing or even legalizing. So if the stride continues, there is lots of potential in the cannabis field. There is a lot of push in medical cannabis, which is it's getting lots of attention from the media. However, one must be careful of the volatile nature of this field. So if, for example, there's a good expectation that the legalization and decriminalization would be happening swiftly, and it does not happen, rest assured that you would be seeing the stock price of multiple companies going down. Furthermore, if governments increase regulation and make it harder for companies to operate or make a tax for this specific industry, it would be affecting the revenues, the profits, and ultimately the share price. So overall, I'm not saying that you should be buying or selling or be involved in such field. It's more of an information basis. Please consider subscribing to my channel. These videos take lots of time in research and editing and also reading, so that I would be more informed and be able to produce these videos. Please subscribe so that also you would be more informed. Thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe.